Hello everybody, welcome once again. Here is a Rajesh sir YouTube channel. Now today is Rajesh sir will teach you the physics and physics gravitations, and we had studied and defined gravitations. Now today we will find out the universal gravitational force. So what is universal gravitational force, and also what is universal gravitational constant, with the help of the definitions and with the help of the such a terminology we will define here. So one by one. So here is the universal law of gravitation will study here with the heading. Here is universal law of gravitation. Universal law of gravitation, as we had earlier defined universal law of gravitation, it was given by Isaac Newton. Isaac Newton. According to this law, it was given by Isaac Newton to allow that attraction. According to this law, it was given by Isaac Newton. According to this law, according to this law, the attraction between, according to this law, according to this law, attraction between any two objects, attraction between any two objects lying in the universe, is the attractions between two objects lying in the universe is directly proportion to their masses, and inversely proportion to its inversely proportion to distance between two square of two objects, between two object and its square. Object is square. Distance between two objects is square. So here is the this is the distance between the two objects. You can nucleus or center and their squares. So first of all, suppose that let's have some distance their masses and some direct and line. So first of all, so let's have if the suppose that this is the first object A, their center is here, and this is second object B, and their center is here is the distance, suppose that D, and the mass is here. First object is M1 and object B is M2. So according to this laws, we will apply this law on these masses. Then therefore, then the force, attractive force, F proportional to M1 and M2, and F proportional to D square. So we can say that F is equal to F proportional to M1 M2 by D square, or F we can write here F is equal to F is equal to G m1 sorry m1 m2 by d squares. Its unit is Newton meter square per kg square. Here is G is equal to 6.67 into 10 to power minus 11 Newton meter square kg squares. And there was no effect of changes of, and there was no effect in changes of masses and their distance. So we will discuss here masses and their distance, and with the help of these so we will discuss here that's how we will calculate the universal gravitational constant. So what is the use of gravitational constant? Use of gravitational constant or universal gravitations. Use of where does we will use the gravitations and the gravitation constant one by one. So we will try to understand within that what is the importance and the use of gravitation bind with us to the earth. First, force bind us to the earth. First force, all the force that was acting in us, me and other object always bind with us to the earth. And also motion of moon around the earth. The motion of moons around the earth, because it's some force that was acting on it and is responsible for it. How does it moves from the surroundings, and means that rotations one things and revolutions is another things revolute around suns, sorry not suns, around the earth. So all the object that was especially the moons that was moving are revolutionized around the earth. It's impossible by means of the universal gravitational force or universal gravitation law. It is a fixed conditions, and with the help of that fixed conditions we will calculate it. Planets and the sun also have acting at the body, and the sun and planets also moves. It causes tide due to the gravitational causes. It causes tide due to the moon that attracts all the particles, and so that is why the tide happening in the ocean regions. Generally we know the attractions of the tides. Due to the attractions of the moons, the tide happens here, and the water rivers is also due to the gravitational flow of waters, and the flow of waters river waters also takes place due to gravitations, universal gravitational force. Universal gravitational force. So these are some centripetal force, centrifugal force. You have I will told you in another chapter what is centripetal force and what is centrifugal force. And now we will discuss some words about the centripetal force and the centrifugal force. Force keeps a body moving along a circular path. Force that keeps the moving body along the circular path is acting toward the center is called centripetal force. So we will define here the force, centripetal force. Centripetal force. What is centripetal force? A force moves object around a circular path. Force move around the object around the circular parts as apply towards its center are called centripetal force. These are force, that is why all objects are binded and revolute, sorry, not revolutes, yes, revolute each object surrounding it with the help of the centripetal force. And these are the some importance of the universal law of gravitation. Thank you very much for this channel coming up soon. I am very much excited for your comments and also subscribing. Do share, subscribe, and also send these channels to your friend circles. Okay, thank you.